Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckinridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for this week's Tiger Minute. This is for the week of January the 2nd. It's just a short week this week, as we got a Wednesday through Friday. I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas break and a great start to the new year. And a new start to the new year always makes me think of resolutions. So I hope we're in day 2. So I hope everybody's kept up with their resolutions so far. To me, resolution is kind of like a commitment. It is a commitment. So I just want to kind of stress to our students and even our parents at home, just to stay committed to being a champion in every aspect of our lives, help each other out and do what's right. So I hope everybody is still on pace with their resolution for the year of 2019. I had a great first day back here at the high school. Enjoyed seeing everybody and getting back in the flow of things. Would like to throw out some congratulations real quick before I go through what's going on this week. I would like to congratulate our Fighting Tiger boys basketball team. They won 2 Christmas tournaments. They won their own Christmas tournament, the Sicilian Bank tournament, before Christmas by winning 3 games against Fort Knox, Shawnee, and North Hardin. And then the Fighting Tigers went to Daytona Beach, where they defeated Letcher County out of Kentucky. They defeated Bahamas Baptist out of Bahamas. And they defeated South Doyle out of Knoxville, Tennessee, to claim the 2018 Sunshine Classic in Daytona Beach, Florida. So way to go, Fighting Tiger basketball team, playing some really good basketball. Also, good job for congratulations to our Lady Tiger basketball team. They went 2-2 over the break. They won 2 great games against Apollo and South Warren, and then ran up against some tough competition with Graves County and Hopkinsville. But very proud of their efforts over Christmas break. Again, got started and had a very good first day. A lot of our students were taking a pre-test for CFAs number 3 and 4. CFAs are common formative assessments. We give those in all of our classes. That gives our teachers the ability to then go back and compare their performance with other classes and see how their students are stacking up with somebody else that's teaching that same class. So it's just a good data source for us to have here at the high school. But those are being administered today and our Wednesday and Thursday of this week. Like to wish our girls basketball team good luck this week, as our varsity and JV team will be traveling to John Hardin Thursday, January the 3rd. And also on Thursday, January 3rd, our boys basketball, freshmen and JV, will be hosting Whitesville Trinity out at the high school. On Friday, our Lady Tigers and Fighting Tigers both travel to varsity-only contest at Cloverport. And that is all we have going on for this week athletically. So I hope everybody has a great week, get back in the flow of things, and looking forward to what promises to be a great 2019. Everybody work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.